Ohio, USA, April 15, 2026.
Golf ball size hail. Holy shit. Oh my god. This is fucked up.
Severe storms swept across northeast Ohio on Wednesday afternoon, bringing powerful winds, downpours, and large hail that caused damage throughout the region. The strong wind gusts toppled a tree and power lines in front of a house in Bedford, as seen in the photos below. The storms downed more trees in Portage County, as seen from a Fox 8 viewer in Suffield Township. Many local communities were also plummeted by hail, ranging from 1 to 2 inches in size. Many Fox 8 viewers said the hail damaged their homes and vehicles. The hail shattered windows of a realtor building on Solon Road in Solon. A family's home was also damaged at the corner of Taft Avenue and Wellman Street in Bedford Heights. The storms knocked out power to thousands of residents, with the most in Cuyahoga, Summit, and Portage counties. Storms should exit the area this evening, before another round likely moves in later tonight. Another round of storms, though less intense, will move in for tomorrow. Some communities are also experiencing flooding concerns. The Bedford Heights Police Department took to social media just before 9:30 p.m., warning drivers that the area of Kimberly Road and Randolph Road was heavily flooded. Bear Creek Drive was also seeing substantial flooding. A severe thunderstorm watch was in effect for most northeast Ohio counties, and many severe thunderstorm warnings and flood advisories were also issued throughout the afternoon and evening. Those alerts have since expired. Separate from the wind and tornado threat, residents should also keep a close eye on localized flooding potential. Repeated rounds of heavy rainfall through Thursday could push waterways over their banks and overwhelm drainage systems, particularly in low-lying areas or neighborhoods that see multiple storm cells pass over the same stretch of ground.
Look at this.